Turning your engine 25V103. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Put the solenoid on the compressor. Everything nice. And on this side, engines looking good. Starter without any damage. Gearbox under good conditions, not broken. And on this side, everything nice. Altimeter looking good. Engines turbo turn, look nice. On the top we have plastic cover, but it was broken. Nothing critical. All connectors without any damage. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 25V103.